Hi everybody, this is Milcho Dimkov, NetSuite developer from Zurich. While NetSuite is a great ERP solution in the cloud, unlike other similar solutions, it doesn't give you really the possibility to use custom or standard shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. So this is why I created a Chrome extension that would allow you to do this, and in the next minutes I'm going to show you how that works. Alright, so let's take a look at the key features. Obviously the best feature is the fact that you can navigate to frequently used pages with key combinations, and you can use any combinations with or without special keys such as Shift and Control and Alt. And you can open these pages either in the current tab or in a new tab. And you do have 60 preset keyboard shortcuts that will be programmed directly when you install the Chrome extension, and then you can of course add your own ones. There is of course the ability to change the existing shortcuts, and all keyboard shortcuts are active across all NetSuite accounts, including Sandbox accounts. Here you can see a few, some of the preset keyboard shortcuts, like for example for transactions you have sales order list and so on. For accounting, you can directly navigate to the chart of accounts if you press just COA. For sandbox management, billing information and so on, this would be part of setup. And then for developers, you can use any of the customization pages, such as go directly to your list of scripts, scripted records, and so forth. And here we can see a few examples how the preset combinations have been created. For example, if you want to navigate to your home page, you just need to press HOM, so a sequence of these three letters. And then you see sales order list, for example, that would be SOL, because you have the three words here, each of them starting with the respective letter. For scripts, that would be SCR, and so on. So you get the idea of how these combinations have been created. Of course, you can change these in your setup. And then I have some of the key combinations that are possible here. So obviously a combination of regular keys, just a sequence of them, and all the preset shortcuts are used like this. So you don't use Control, Shift, and so on for the regular ones that are preset. You can use Control plus a letter or a number. You can use Control plus letter and then another sequence of letters. And you can use also Control Alt, or for example Control Shift, Alt Shift, and so on. And the other thing is that for each of the regular combinations that just have letters, if you prefix them with N, then this will bring you to the next tab. So it will open the shortcut not in your current tab, but in a new tab. And finally, here's a quick demo on how the extension works. If you just navigate here on your extensions, here's the extension once you download it and install it. And then you can pin it so it appears here. Once you do this, you can right click and click on options, and this will give you the short keys options as we discussed them earlier. You can also do this by just hitting Control Shift Y. So Control Shift Y, I'm currently hitting this. It will open the NetSuite shortcuts in a new tab. So as you can see, here are the default shortcuts that are pre-installed directly, and you can add your own ones. The way that works is you can restore the defaults from here, you can remove all of them, just make sure every time you save the changes. And if you navigate to the bottom, you can add a shortcut of your own, where we call it, for example, test. That means I'll have to press these keys so that works. This is my test shortcut, for example. And here by default, you get the string that is used for the home page. So every time you want to use a page, make sure it's in this format here. So if you're on your NetSuite page, just start copying from here everything from the APP and then / up to the end, and you just put this here. So as you can see, all the pages are constructed like this. Don't forget that you can have combinations such as Control plus M and then A, B, C or something like this, as we discussed them already. And then here is your page, and you just need to save your changes after that. And then how that works, once you install the Chrome extension, or if you're applying any changes here, make sure that you refresh the tab just once, so that it gets all the updates from the Chrome extension. And this is how it works. If I type, for example, COA right now on my keyboard, this will bring me to the chart of accounts. And CER would be the currency exchange rates. I'm just typing them on my keyboard right now. Manage accounting periods would be MAP. The list of locations is LOC. Subsidiaries is SUB. The list of roles, imagine how much time that takes just to navigate to it with your mouse. Record types for developers. Also scripted records is also for developers. And advanced HTML PDF templates, that would be just PDF. And now take a look at this one. If I prefix any of these with an N, and I want to go to my list of roles once again, but I type NROL, it will open it in a new tab. So feel free to take a look at it, and then just add custom shortcuts. You can use it for pretty much everything, even for example if you have a customer that you're using very frequently, or sales order or any other transaction, you can literally even add them here. You can use also special combinations like memorizing a transaction, deleting, copying, and so on. They are using a special JavaScript, so just leave them like this. But again, you can add your own shortcuts if you wish. Thank you for watching this demo, and if you want to contact me, you have additional ideas, you want to discuss additional functionality or just report some bugs, feel free to contact me by using the email on your screen. Thank you.